Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to talk about the new group Babymonster of YG Entertainment. On this channel we are going to upload interesting K-pop news every day, so make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest K-pop news and trends. Babymonster, YG Entertainment's highly anticipated K-pop girl group, is known as Blackpink's Baby Sisters, and is set to take the globe by storm just like their predecessors. It has taken a long time. Babymonster, comprised of Haram, Ayeon, Chiquita, Asa, Rora, Farida, and Ruka, is a multinational K-pop female group that has been in the works for some years. Babymonster rumors originally appeared in 2018, only 2 years after Blackpink debuted, when young, female trainees were observed in and around YG Entertainment's offices in Seoul. In 2020, YG Entertainment was observed registering a trademark for Babymonster and Baemin, an acronym for Babymonster. Babymonster was one of the several group names proposed for Blackpink at first. No Hee-young, CEO of YG Entertainment's restaurant brand YG Foods, was cited in 2021 as saying, "Babymonster is no joke. They're like 10 Jennies," referring to Blackpink's Jennie Kim. YG Entertainment teased the group's first formal presentation on December 30, 2022, followed by a brief video released on New Year's Day. The septet was later revealed separately through the progressive distribution of live performances. In our next videos, we will introduce and tell you 10 facts about each member. So please make sure to check them out as well. Please subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Comment below which video you wish us to do next and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.